Kitang-kita nyo, yung nagpapile doon sa ombudsman, identified kay Mar Rojas. Yung mag-i-implement ng preventive suspension, si Mar Rojas at saka mga tauhan ni Mar Rojas. Yung iupo nilang mayor, Liberal Party, kasama ni Mar Rojas. His fingerprints are all over eh. I think the laws of the land and the Constitution are being run roughshod eh, by these officials at the behest of no less than Secretary Mar Rojas and his Liberal Party. They're prostituting the institutions of government, even at the peril of violating our Constitution. Sana naman ho, hindi ganyan. Let us strengthen our institutions, not prostitute them. Yun na nga hong Senado na, prostitute na eh. Ngayon, makikita lang natin kung makakabangon sila dito sa Mama-Sapano, yung SAC 44 investigation. So we will see if they can redeem themselves.